Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Joshi and our project name is Green Doctor. So the question arises, why Green Doctor? Green refers to leaves and Doctor refers to identify the diseases. Here in our project, we have two modules. The first one is to predict whether the leaf is healthy or not. If not, then what disease it has. The second one is to check weather forecast for next 3 days and hence a complete project which can be used by the farmers as well as by the students. Moving on to problem definition. As agriculture struggles to support the rapidly growing population, plant disease reduces the production as well as the quality of food, fiber, and biofuel. Farmers spend a lot of money on disease management, often without the technical support, resulting in poor disease control, pollution, and harmful results. Moving on to existing system. In the past and present, farmers are usually detecting the crop diseases with their naked eyes, which makes them to take tough decisions on which fertilizers to use. It requires detailed knowledge about the types of diseases and a lot of experience needed to make sure that the actual disease detection. Some of the diseases looks almost similar to farmers, often leaves them into the confusion state. Here we propose a system in which we have an application that facilitates farmers, botanists, students to detect the type of plant or crops, detects the pests and other kind of diseases in them. So we use a various deep learning algorithms to train and test the leaf.
So, the first step is data collection. The quantity and quality of data dictates how accurate a model is. So, we have collected over 50,000 plus images from the internet, which are of three types of crops. Among these three types of crops, there are various diseases related to them. The main source of dataset is Kaggle.com. Once we are done with the data collection, our next step is data preparation. In data preparation, we have various techniques like normalization, type conversions, etc., which help in cropping our images, etc. So, after data preparation, we have to choose a model. We need to choose a model in such a way that our accuracy is very good. So, after we choose a model, we need to train the model. So, the training should be done in such a way that the accuracy is high, as well as we get all the answers to the questions and also the predictions that have to be made. So once we are done with the training the model, our next step is evaluation. We need to test various images against the model and wait for our predictions. So now So now let's look at the languages used. Python is a high-level general programming purpose language. It is one of the easiest programming languages to use, and also it is a widely used language. Technology is used. Keras. Keras is an API designed for humans. It is used for free and actionable messages. So it is one of the most used deep learning library. The next thing is we have used a set of web development languages like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript for the front end. Then we have also used Flask is used to build up web applications. Using Flask we can deploy the web applications easily. This is also one of the easiest languages to learn. Now let's look at the live demonstration. So this is a local server. This is a simple validated login system. So we'll click on login. So if we try to log in with wrong ID and password, we get an error message, incorrect details. So login. If we leave it blank also, we get incorrect details. So first we need to sign up. So we'll have a username. So we'll have username as QWERTY. Register. So once we successfully register, we can log in. So after logging in, we get two options: check leaf disease or check weather. So first we'll check out with the leaf disease. So first select the leaf to be tested. We'll browse from here. So we'll select a leaf, random leaf, and predict. So after few seconds, we get the output. The result is potato healthy. Like this, we can browse any number of times, just like this. Predict. So it's potato healthy again. Um, so we'll move back to our home page and check weather for the next 3 days. So we'll search for a location. We'll type as Belgaum and forecast. So today there is light rain and the temperature is 23.41 degrees Celsius. So we can search again and again like this. Search Bangalore forecast. So this is the weather forecast for Bangalore for the next 3 days. So if we try to search for an invalid location, like if any invalid location we get, so we get an error message that says weather not found, turn back. So this was all about weather. So after checking the leaf or checking the weather, we can always log out. So once the session ends, you can always log out. So once you log out, you cannot go back, just like this. So this was the demonstration of a project.
Now we will move on to the advantages of our project. To propose a system that would speed up the process of detecting the disease in the leaf. As you all know that in existing system takes a lot of time to detect the disease in the leaf. By using our system, it will take only few seconds to detect which type of disease the leaf has. To develop a system that can provide an organized, accurate and easy disease report. It will be very helpful for the farmers to get the report properly. That means it will be organized and it will be easy for farmers to understand what type of disease it has.
So now we'll look at the future scopes of Green Doctor. The first scope is that using reinforcement learning through time-to-time feedback, we can improve the accuracy of the prediction. The next scope is that extending the product for other horticultural crops. We can add more and more crops into it and get the desired results. So one more scope of Green Doctor is that it can be easily integrated with agricultural drones. As you know that the world is depending more on technology, we can easily implement this product with the drones.
So okay, now we'll take the real leaf and test whether that leaf has the disease or no. Come with me. This is the big pepper leaf and we'll check whether this leaf has a disease or no.